Hi. One of the uh, very famous indicator which is called Supertrend, and how to use this Supertrend indicator in your chart. See, this Supertrend indicator is mainly used by most of the traders to identify the trend, and I'll show you how to add the super trend indicator in your chart. Click on this indicator button. I'm using trading view. Okay, in this trading view website I've opened Nifty chart, and once you open the chart, click on this indicator button at the top here. You can see indicator. Click on indicator and search for super trend. Okay, search for super trend. So it will come at the top. Select super trend. Once you select super trend, it appears here at the top. So now super trend is basically used to identify the trend. Okay, and see, one thing I wanted to make it clear: in stock market nothing can give you 100% accuracy. Okay, so this is very very important, because people will think, okay, once I use super trend, then I can buy and sell based on the super trend indicator, so that I can make a lot of profit. That is not true. Sometimes even these indicators will also give you some false buy and sell signals. Okay, so please make sure in stock market there is no guarantee that all these indicators are anything, any signals or anything which can give you 100% guarantee. Okay, this is all used to identify the trend, and based on this we can take our positions. Now I have plotted the super trend indicator on my chart. So here, if you see, if you just uh, keep your cursor here, you will get all this option. Okay, this is setting option, and this is hide option, and the name of the indicator it is showing here, super trend. Now if I want to hide, I just click on this hide button. Now the chart is hidden, and again if I click, now the chart is plotted. Now see, I have selected 5 minutes. That's because I am doing it for an intraday. Now you can see a green line, again a red line, and again a red line here, and green line. That's because this is showing the trend. Okay, so this will only give you green and red lines. This is the signal. If it is giving you a green line, which means the market is breaking on the upside, which means the trend is now changed from downtrend to uptrend. This you can use it for a daily chart also, but mainly this is used by intraday traders for their positions, for taking the positions. Now I'll explain. This is the chart, and this is for 28th February. Now here you can see it was in red, then again now and again it changed to green, which means morning when the market opened at 9:15, down you can see the timing here. Here you can see the timing. 9:15 when market opened, it was red, a big red candle opened with a big red candle, so it is showing as a downtrend. And again there is one more follow up red candle, which is why it is showing as a downtrend. And when this candlestick changed and the trend changed here, but up to this level it is still below this red line only. Okay, up to this candle. Okay, up to this candle. Okay, up to this candle the trend is in the downtrend. And after this candle, once this green candle at 10:35, you can see the timing at the downside. At 10:35, when this candle broke this level, this line, and closed, immediately the trend is changed to green. Okay, so the trend is changed to green, and after that you can see the market was going on the uptrend only. This did not break the green line till 3:15, till close of the market, till 3:15 this line was not broken, which means the trend was on the upside only. Okay, so like this you can identify how the trend is. So if, let's say, if someone taken a position here and closed his position somewhere here, okay, he closed his position somewhere here, it's a profit. Okay, let's say at this candle 16,500, if he has taken the position in 16,500 and closed at around 16,800, which is 300 points. Okay, and again you can see this downtrend here, this downtrend here, it is showing if you are taken a position here, okay, and closed here, this is not a downtrend, this is sideways market. That's the reason the line is straight here, which means it's a sideways market. If it is a downtrend, then it should be in a downways, and if it is an uptrend, it should be in a upside. Okay, here you can see it is upside, that the line has increased, it has substantially gone up, so which means the trend is in the upside. And here you can see it is straight line, a kind of straight line, which means the trend is not an uptrend, but it is not a downtrend also, because this line is not broken, so it is not downtrend, it is a kind of sideways. And here you can see this is a best example where market opened gap down. Okay, market opened gap down and it is going on the downside only. Okay, if you are taken a position here, or if you are taken a position here in this red candle, and if you have closed your position here, okay, this is 16,600 to it fell down to 16,200, which is 400 points. Okay, but please make sure this is not a guaranteed signal that it will go down only. It can immediately change also. Even after 4 to 5 candles, if the eye is broken, then it will be changed. See here, if you are taken a position here, it is broken your it has gone up, but it did not break. Okay, it touched the line and it came down. Okay, that's the speciality of this super trend. If this line is broken, then it will immediately change to green, so the trend is changed. So you have to wait and trade based on uh, other logics also, not only dependent on this super trend indicator. You should apply other logic also, like breaking the previous day high or breaking the current day's high or low. Based on that, you have to take your position. But this super trend, using this super trend will give you an added advantage, that which side the trend is. Here you can see it is in a straight line, which means from this line to this line, market did not go much higher or lower. So this is a kind of straight line. Okay, so this is how you can read your super trend. This super trend you can even use it for a investing purpose. I'll show you here. If you click on daily chart, okay, now daily chart also, this super trend, now you can see easily that super trend is showing in a downtrend, which means up to this line is broken, then it is in a downtrend only. Here you can see from here, which is on 3rd Jan, up to this line, which is up to 20 Jan, it is showing uptrend, which means the market has gone up. And the best example is here, from the time of COVID, this COVID downfall, this is the downfall of COVID. From this level to this level, most of the time it was showing green only, which means it is in the uptrend. And in between it can show you some red signals, okay, but most of the time it was showing green signal. Okay, what happened? 1 minute. Okay, yeah, so most of the time it was showing green only. Okay, here you can see from this candle the trend has changed, and it did not, any of this candle uh, did not break this line. Okay, it was just going up only. So which means up to this line is broken, then it is considered as a uptrend. So if someone has taken a trade, or someone has taken a position here, then up to here it is in the uptrend. Okay, so this is how people take their position on intraday, as well as a positional or a investor can even take this super trend as an indication where the trend is. You can also use it for stocks. Let's say I'm looking for some, let's say I'm looking for TCS, or yeah, so TCS, you can see now currently it is in the downtrend. Or I'll take Reliance. Now Reliance, you can see Reliance, it is from here it was in the uptrend, again from the top it was in the downtrend, again a small uptrend came, that is only for some 3 to 4 days, then again now started the downtrend. So keep watching this Reliance chart. Once this level is broken, it will immediately change to green line, so that the market is going up. Okay, so this is how you can use this super trend. Thank you so much.